Good morning, student. Today we are going to see the activity 3.2, which is based on Brazil. In Brazil, this activity is based on the physiography of Brazil. Till now, we have the better idea about the physiography. Okay, we know that Brazil is divided into 4 groups according to the physiography. Now, first group is highlands, because most of the part of the Brazil is covered by the highland, and highland is divided into two highlands. That is, one is the Guiana highland. Now I am showing here, trying to show here, see this is the Guiana highland. Okay, and another is the Brazilian highland. This one is the Brazilian highland. Okay, see, this one is the Brazilian highland. Okay, the next physiography is the Amazon basin. See, this is the not Amazon basin actually, but the plain of the Brazil. See, this is Amazon basin is the largest plain of the Brazil. Okay, after that there is one more plain, that is the Pantanal plain. This comes under here. Okay, then the escarpment area. Where is the escarpment area? You can see here, these are the mountains. You can observe here, this is the escarpment area. Okay, this is what the escarpment area from Sao Paulo to Porto Alegre. You can see in your map where is the Porto Alegre and the Sao Paulo. Then rest of the part is the, this is what the coastal line. Okay, this is what the coastal line, the eastern coastal line, and here the northwestern coastal, northeastern coastal line, and here is the southeastern coastal line. Okay, so it's clear now. So now let's see the activity. The first question we are going to see, what is the first question? What is the range of the altitude of Amazon basin? Okay, so for this answer you have to see here, what is the range. You can see here, what is the range? 0 to 200. Why 0 to 200? Because Amazon basin is shown by the green color. So what is the range of the Amazon basin? That is a 0 to 200. The next question, between which highland is Amazon river basin located? Between which highland? See, this is the Amazon, this is the Guiana highland, and this is the Brazilian highland. Okay, and this is the Amazon basin. So you can see that in between which highland Amazon basin is there? The Guiana highland and the Brazilian highland. Okay, so move to the next question. Observe the region with the altitude of 500 to 1000 meter. Describe the location extent of this region shown in yellow color with reference the direction. See, this question is quite tricky. So now see, what is the question actually? The question is, observe the region with the altitude 500 meter. Now see here, which is the 500 meter? 500 to 1000. 500 to 1000 means this is the yellow region. You can see the scale here, 500 to 1000. Okay, and then you might get confused that what is the range of the orange region. Orange region's range is 1000 to more, 1000 से आगे, but 500 to 1000 means this yellow region. So what is asked actually? ऑब्जर्व द रीजन, हमें ये येलो रीजन को ऑब्जर्व करना है और उसका लोकेशन एंड एक्सटेंट हमें लिखना है. ठीक है, सो व्हाट कुड बी द आंसर? आंसर क्या हो सकता है इसका आंसर ये है, द रीजन विद द अल्टीट्यूड 500 to 1000 मीटर शोन इन येलो कलर एक्सटेंट फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट. कहाँ से एक्सटेंट है? इसका एक्सटेंट पूछा है नॉर्थ ईस्ट. यहाँ से शुरू होकर कहाँ गया है? इधर साउथ ईस्ट के तरफ गया. ओके, व्हाट इज द एक्सटेंट? It is northeast to southeast. What is the answer then? Northeast to southeast. The extent is northeast to southeast. Okay. See now next question. What is the next question? What do the isolated region shown in the yellow indicate? Okay. Now you know that what is this yellow region shows? This yellow region is nothing but the highland. This is the highland of Brazil. So what will be the answer? Brazilian highland. What is the name of this highland? It is the Brazilian highland. You can see the name is reflecting here. It is the Brazilian highland. That means the Guiana highland and this highland is both are the highland, but it having the separate name. It is the Brazilian highland and it is the Guiana highland, and the yellow color shows that the Brazilian highland. So this is the answer. The next is, what is the next question? Now next question is, beside the Amazon river basin, where else do you find region with the altitude of less than 200 meter? Okay, so see now the range of the Amazon river basin is 200 to 0. Okay, see here, 200 to 0. What is the range? 0 to 200 now. Okay, so what is the question? Is there any other region which having the same altitude? Yes, there is some region, like this is the Pantanal. This is the Pantanal region, and Pantanal region is also having the altitude 0 to 200. Okay, Pantanal region, this is the Pantanal and Paraguay region, we can say. Pantanal and Paraguay region having the altitude 0 to 200, and also this Pampas region you can say. So what could be our answer? Pantanal, Paraguay and Pampas region having the same altitude which have the Amazon basin. The last question is, describe the plateau region with high altitude of 2000 to 500 meter, though through which tributaries of Amazon have you in tributaries of Amazon, how in your own answer. Okay, now we have to describe this region. Okay, you just see this faint region, what is the altitude of this faint region? 200 to 500. हमारा क्वेश्चन भी यही है कि 200 to 500 ये जो हाईलैंड का एरिया है, इसमें से जो ट्रिब्यूटरीज जा रही है जो कि अमेजोन को मर्ज हो रही है. सी, these are the tributaries, these are the tributaries rivers, these are the tributaries river. Okay, so we just have to explain this. So how you will explain? See, the plateau region with a height of 200 to 500 meter, through which the tributaries of Amazon rivers flows, is located between Amazon basin and the Brazilian highland. Okay, and Jingu river and other tributaries rivers, यहाँ से कौन सी rivers जा रही है? Jingu river and other tributaries rivers are flowing through this region. इस तरीके से आपको क्या करना है, ये एक्टिविटी को कंप्लीट करना है. Got it?